What's up, truck lovers? Today we're getting up close and personal with a beast that's got everyone talking. The 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor in a jaw-dropping performance blue. Ladies and gentlemen, this isn't just a truck. This is Ford's latest statement in off-road dominance. The 2025 Raptor takes everything we loved about previous generations and cranks it up to 11. Check out this menacing front end. The signature Raptor grille is now even bigger, with integrated LED lighting that creates this wicked signature at night. Those headlights? Pure aggression with adaptive LED technology that can illuminate up to half a mile of trail ahead. The power dome hood isn't just for show. Those functional heat extractors help keep the beast beneath cool under pressure. And speaking of power, Ford's dropped a bombshell under here, but we'll get to that in a minute. Moving along the side, you'll notice the wider stance, a full 2 inches broader than the previous gen. Those massive fender flares aren't just for looks. They're housing an upgraded suspension system with adaptive Fox live valve shocks. Rolling on massive 37-inch all-terrain tires, now standard equipment, wrapped around exclusive 17-inch forged aluminum wheels. And yes, you're seeing right, there's a built-in tire pressure monitoring system specifically calibrated for off-road use. The suspension travel is absolutely insane, 14 inches up front and 15 in the rear. This new setup uses next-gen position-sensitive damping technology that reads terrain 1,000 times per second. Around back, the bed features Ford's latest cargo management system, including built-in tie-downs, power outlets, and an integrated tailgate step system. Those tail lights? Full LED with sequential turn signals that'll turn heads at any trailhead. Now, let's talk power. Ford's latest power plant in this blue beast is a twin-turbocharged hybrid V6 pumping out a mind-bending 575 horsepower and 645 lb-ft of torque. Those numbers aren't just impressive, they're game-changing. Power hits the ground through an advanced 10-speed automatic transmission with upgraded cooling. The new terrain management system now features 7 modes, including a new trophy mode for high-speed desert running. Underneath, you're looking at military-grade aluminum alloy body panels and strengthened steel frame members. The skid plates are now made from a titanium composite, lighter and stronger than ever before. The lighting package is insane. We're talking 360-degree off-road illumination. Those new auxiliary lights integrated into the front bumper can throw light up to 200 feet off to the sides of the trail. Watch how this thing moves. Despite its size, the 2025 Raptor can hit 60 in just 4.1 seconds. And with the new active aerodynamics package, it's more stable than ever at high speeds. The trail control system has been upgraded with new autonomous off-road navigation capabilities. It can now read terrain and adjust suspension, power delivery, and braking in real time. In performance blue, this Raptor isn't just a truck, it's a statement. Whether you're bombing through the desert or cruising down Main Street, nothing else comes close to this level of capability and presence. That's your first look at the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for our upcoming deep dive into the interior. Drop a comment below with what you think about this blue beast.